Hi, I'm Simon Fu from Sophos Support, and today I will be covering on access scanning with Sophos Antivirus for Linux. In this video, we'll be covering how to check if on-access file scanning is enabled after successfully installing Sophos. Afterwards, we'll go over how to check the logs to see if Telper is returning any errors. And lastly, if Telper isn't compatible with your kernel version, we'll cover how to use FA Notify as the kernel interface. With that said, let's look at on-access scanning. Sophos Antivirus for Linux provides several methods of enabling on-access file scanning, using either FA Notify or Telper. To check if on-access is active after successful installation, first, type su --, to log in as root. Once logged in, go to the directory /opt/sophos-av/bin. Do a ls -l. This will list the available Sophos Antivirus for Linux commands. Execute the command savd-status by typing /savd-status, then press enter. From the output, you can see Sophos Antivirus is active, but on-access scanning is not running. If you log into Sophos Central, you will see alerts stating real-time protection is disabled and policy non-compliance, malware protection. You shall also receive a high email alert stating real-time protection has been disabled on a computer, and a medium alert stating the computer does not comply with Sophos Central policy. To find out why on-access is not running, execute the below command /savlog -10. This will display the last 10 entries of the Sophos Antivirus log. As you can see, it's unable to load Telper modules. Hence, on-access scanning failed to start. Please note, Sophos no longer supports the use of Telper module for on-access scanning on Linux systems that contain Docker containers. You will need to switch to FA Notify. For more details of the support coverage of Sophos Antivirus for Linux environments where Docker containers are used, please refer to Sophos KB article. Sophos provides pre-compiled Telper binary packs for certain kernel versions. To check why Telper failed to load, you will need to check the kernel version running on the system. To do so, you can execute the following command: name -a. Once you have obtained the information from the above command, check if the kernel version is listed in the pre-compiled Telper binary packs, which is available in Sophos KB article. And if it is not listed, you will need to either compile Telper locally or switch to FA Notify. In this video, I will show you how to set FA Notify as the default kernel interface. Please note, Linux operating system is case sensitive. In the current working directory, that is /opt/sophos-av/bin, execute the following commands: /savconfig set prefer FA Notify true. Then /savconfig set disable FA Notify false. Once the above is set, restart the Sophos Antivirus daemon by running /etc/init.d/sav
protect space restart. After the service is restarted, you can then check and confirm if OnAccess is running by executing the safdstatus command again. That is /safdstatus. As you can see, Sophos Antivirus is now active and OnAccess scanning is running. You can further validate if OnAccess is using FA Notify via the savlog command. /savlog space -10. From the output, you can see OnAccess scanning is enabled using FA Notify. In Sophos Central Dashboard, you shall see the Linux endpoint will have two new events logged. One stating real-time protection is re-enabled, and the other stating policy in compliance malware. FA Notify is now set to be the default kernel interface for OnAccess scanning. This setting will be in place in the next reboot. I hope you found this video useful. Let us know by giving us a thumbs up on TechVids, and let us know if we resolved your issue. Check out the documentation for this video in the video description. For further assistance, view and post questions on community.sophos.com. And go to techvids.sophos.com for more great videos like this one. Thanks for watching.